Measure the perimeter of the tube and add 7.5 centimeters. Transfer that measure to the Rollgum Form moldable strip. Cut the Rollgum piece and round the corners. Position the Rollgum piece, taking into consideration 5 centimeters overlap over the EPDM membrane. Thoroughly stir the Rollgum Primer before each use during installation. Mark at least 5 centimeters around the pipe. Spread the primer with a flat brush extending beyond the marks. Apply primer onto the 7.5 centimeters overlap area on the Rollgum Form piece. Mark 5 centimeters on the moldable strip. Cut the protection film, taking care not to damage the strip. Remove the protection film from the top area, then place the film on the outside part of the strip to prevent from self-adhesion during application. Adhere the uncured strip onto the tube following the marks. Remove the protection film and continue adhering the uncured strip. Carefully shape it with your fingertips. Now remove the protection film and overlap the additional 7.5 centimeters onto itself. Shape the remaining Rollgum form. Apply pressure with the system roller across the entire surface. Using the detail roller, make pressure on the angle and contours. Finish by applying Bond 007 sealant along all edges.